Hi, I'd like to invite you to join me for the Buzz Club Citizen Science Virtual Symposium, which is taking place on the 16th of May this year. It's online and it kicks off at 10 a.m. in the morning. So what's it about? Well, it's about the Buzz Club. The Buzz Club is a citizen science organisation trying to find out what really works to increase biodiversity in our gardens. So there's lots of advice about wildlife gardening out there, but a lot of it's based on anecdote, guesswork, not good scientific evidence. So what the Buzz Club is trying to do is engage with the public to get people all around the country involved in helping us do experiments, collecting data, to find out, for example, which types of bee hotel work best. How to make a hoverfly lagoon or an earwig hotel, which plants cope best with heat waves in the summer if you want bees to thrive in the weird weather we have coming up likely, and so on and so on. So the symposium is about what we've learned about what really works, how to design a fairly simple experiment that can be done by people from all sorts of different backgrounds, and gain useful data that really then helps to inform garden science, how to look after our garden wildlife. The symposium costs £25 if you're a professional citizen science person, but if you're not, you can join for as little as £1, although we would ask you to pay a little bit more if you can afford it, because the money is going towards supporting the Buzz Club. Oh, the sun's coming out and the bees are beginning to buzz on my lovely wisteria. Sorry, getting distracted. Do join us, it should be fun. Hope to see you there. Take care.